Looking for the ultimate kitchen companion? Meet the Instant Pot 3 Litres 7-in-1 multi-use programmable electric pressure cooker. Your all-in-one solution for quick, healthy and versatile cooking. This compact yet powerful Instant Pot packs 7 functions in one device. Pressure cooker for fast meals. Slow cooker for flavorful dishes. Rice cooker for perfect grains. Steamer for healthy veggies. Salt for easy prep. Yogurt maker for delicious homemade yogurt. Warmer to keep your food ready to serve. Made with a stainless steel inner pot. It's safe, durable and easy to clean. Plus, it's equipped with 14 smart programs. So cooking is as simple as the press of a button. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, the Instant Pot makes cooking effortless. With its programmable timer, you can prep your meals and let the cooker handle the rest. Cook delicious meals in minutes and explore endless recipes, from hearty soups to creamy desserts. Customer ratings and feedback. 5 rating, life-changing kitchen gadget. 4 rating, makes cooking so much easier and healthier. 5 rating, perfect size for small families, and I love the yogurt feature. Let's break it down with the pros and cons. Pros: saves time with quick cooking options. Versatile to 7 appliances in one. Easy to clean with a stainless steel inner pot. Compact size, perfect for small kitchens. Cons: limited to 3-liter capacity, ideal for small families or couples. Learning curve for new users. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? Get the Instant Pot 3 Litres 7-in-1 today. Click the link in the description to grab yours now. Don't forget to subscribe to Petal Whisper for more amazing product reviews and kitchen tips. Hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to Petal Whisper for all things lifestyle and wellness.